Hey explorers, it's Miss Bree, and today we're heading into a vast snowy forest called the Taiga, also known as the Boreal Forest. This is one of the largest ecosystems on Earth, filled with towering trees, incredible animals, and extreme weather. Let's explore life in this northern world. Now, for those of you who don't know me, my name is Miss Bree. I'm a farmer, an illustrator, an educator, a singer, and a proud grammar nerd. Welcome to the farm school. Now, what is the taiga? The taiga is a cold forested biome with long winters and short summers. It's covered mostly in evergreen trees that stay green all year long. These forests stretch across huge parts of the northern world, forming one of the largest land biomes on our planet. The taiga stretches across the northern regions of Earth, including Canada, Alaska, Russia, and Scandinavia. It forms a massive green belt around the top of our planet. It's almost like a crown of forests. Now, the taiga has very, very long, cold winters and short, very mild summers. Winter temperatures can drop far below freezing, sometimes reaching negative 40 degrees Fahrenheit. When summer arrives, plants and animals need to grow, reproduce, and prepare quickly before the cold returns. The soil in the taiga is thin and very low in nutrients. Because it's so cold, dead plants and animals take a long time to break down. This slow decomposition makes it really hard for new plants to get the nutrients they need. The taiga is filled with evergreen trees like pine, spruce, and fir. These trees keep their needles all year long, helping them to survive the cold. Mosses and lichens grow on the forest floor, adding life even in tough conditions. Taiga plants have special adaptations. Their needle-like leaves help to conserve water. They actually lose less water through those needle leaves than broadleaves. Now, a waxy coating on those needle leaves protects them from freezing temperatures. And their cone shape helps snow to slide off their branches so the trees don't break under their weight. Isn't that amazing that all of that happens just because of where it's at? It's just so amazing how nature works. The taiga is also home to amazing animals like moose, wolves, bears, even lynx. Each one plays an important role in the ecosystem, helping to maintain balance in this cold forest environment. Animals here are built for survival. Thick fur keeps them warm. Some hibernate during winter, like bears. Others migrate to warmer places, like birds and caribou. And some change color, like the snowshoe hare, for example, or a lynx, to blend in with the snowy environment. And did you know that animals like moose and wolves even grow extra fur, like extra layers of that thick, dense fur that keeps them nice and toasty warm? Now, energy flows through the taiga in a food web. Plants capture energy from the sun. Herbivores like moose eat the plants. Then, predators like wolves hunt the herbivores. Now, when those organisms die, decomposers return the nutrients to the soil, completing the cycle. So you have a whole circle essentially, right? You have plants are the producers, herbivores eating the plants, predators eating the animals, the herbivores, and then the plants essentially, as they decompose, eating the predators. So see how that works? It's pretty cool. It's a big circle of life. Now, the taiga has fewer species than many other warmer ecosystems, but the species that do live here are highly specialized. They have been just specifically adapted to survive the cold, right? They have evolved specifically to thrive where they're at. Each plant and animal has adapted to survive this massive, massive cold winter and plays an important role in keeping that ecosystem healthy. Every single species in the taiga matters, from the tiniest little moss to the massive moose. Each organism contributes to the health of this vast northern forest. Now, let's talk about the human impact. Humans affect the taiga in many, many ways. Okay, logging, for example, removes trees. Mining disturbs the land. And climate change is warming the region. These changes can harm plants, animals, and the balance of the ecosystem. So, this very, very delicate biome is actually super important, and we need to try and protect it. Okay, so our goal is to reduce our effect on all of these biomes as much as we can. Now, why does the taiga even matter? Why is it important? Well, it's actually incredibly important for our planet. It stores ridiculously large amounts of carbon. It's like a giant sponge, okay? It stores carbon, which helps us fight climate change, okay? It provides habitat for countless animals, from teeny tiny insects to the most massive animals, herbivores, predators, anything there. It creates a huge web of life that all depend on those healthy forests. And, not last but not least, it helps to regulate the Earth's temperature. Okay? So, it releases moisture and absorbs the heat, and that helps keep the Earth's temperatures balanced. So, protecting the taiga helps to protect the entire world. So, let's compare the taiga to our farm where we're at in the Midwest. Okay? The taiga is cold, wild, and forested, while our farm has warmer seasons, crops, and domesticated animals. But both environments need sunlight, water, and healthy soil to survive, right? To support life. So there are things that are similar and things that are different, no matter where you're at in the world. Fantastic work, explorers! You have traveled through the taiga and discovered how life survives in this cold, forested world. Keep exploring, keep asking questions, and keep learning about the amazing ecosystems on our planet. See you next time with Miss Bree. I'll see you guys next time, and I hope you enjoyed this video.